Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to Power Sessions by Vanessa. And as we continue on discussing how we regroup and regather and recover it all, hope you're having an amazing Thursday. And I hope that you are doing well. So, again, today we're going to pick back up where we left off in regards to the series that we're doing, where we're talking about how we're going to regroup, recover, and regather it all. And some specific topics that we were discussing is dealing with anger, and understanding how anger can stop progress and hinder growth, personal growth. And so I'm going to pick right back up here. So some of the things that may cause situational anger or unease, it would be hurt. Like if someone was to hurt you or you were hurt about something. Rejection, being a part of rejection can sometimes cause unchecked anger. Delays in resolution, delays in gaining information, delays in being promoted, delays in being acknowledged sometimes. No, we don't always need to be acknowledged. However, there are appointed times where we are really supposed to walk in that thing and actually have some type of acknowledgement, even if it's just from the Lord. So don't look for praise from people, but anger can come from that too, when you're not getting the response that you want from people. So make sure as you're living out life and promise that you're sure of who the focus needs to be on, which is Christ and which is his purpose. Because if we take care of his business, he'll take care of ours, right? So other things that could cause daily battles is selfishness. It could be selfish with money. It could be selfish with love, selfish with mercy. So we want to make sure that we're looking at all categories of our life and, how we're handling things, and maybe reevaluate when we do hit those pivotal points, those points, that catches us by surprise. Stop, drop, and roll. Y'all remember that? Let's just stop. Let's just roll that anger. Just roll those burdens over to the Lord. So I'm gonna just digress just a moment here. But as when I was considered to be an angry woman prior to my deliverance, I did not understand the Lord's vengeance. The Lord's vengeance. So the vengeance of the Lord. So through the greatness of our power, our enemies shall submit to us. And I wrote down scripture. Don't put it to my heart, but I do believe it is Psalm 66:3. I will look it up. And I have looked it up, or I wouldn't have it written down here. But it says Psalm 66:3. And I don't have my other thing here. So, but just to go along with that is the vengeance of the Lord on our behalf is a part of our inheritance. Without the Lord's vengeance, there are some things we would not be able to achieve. Some assignments we would not be able to totally perform without the Lord's vengeance, or without the Lord backing us as well. We would have died trying without God on our side. So when we get angry, let's remember it is of the Lord's vengeance, and we need to stay focused. Let's be real. We fight real enemies. And let's be real. When we don't have control over everything, it can anger us. I mean, it's not that you say, wake up and say, oh, I'm going to be angry today. I'm just going to be angry. No, but situations that are out of our control, unless we're mature enough to understand that we can't control everything, then it can cause anger. So like, we just want to watch that, watch our attitude, watch what we receive in our spirits, even if it's coming from someone that we trust or love. Like, other angry people are going to try to put it off on you, on me. And it's not our fault that they chose to handle whatever they're handling the way they're handling it. And we're not pointing fingers, right? And I'm not judging, but I'm saying, let's think, because I am a coach. Let's think, mindset coach, of just some healthier ways of handling things. So just to share a little bit more about, you know, I'm so sorry. So I was going to talk about another point, but I will hold that for the next time. But I want you to know you need to fight through things in a healthy manner. Sometimes we have to when we don't understand things, we get angry. When you don't understand something, you get angry. So we have to fight scared. Sometimes we might have to fight weak. Sometimes we might have to fight unknowledgeable, but we've been placed in a thing that can anger us when we don't have total understanding of why we're in a situation that can anger us. So I just want you to know that I'm here for you, Coach V, Coach Vanessa. I'm here for you. The part of this series is to bring about more healing grace for all, you know, not just certain people, for everyone. And so I thank you for joining me today. Let's continue to be individuals. Let's continue not to be hypocritical or covetous with others. You know, as an angry woman, I didn't know justice, so I became angry. I didn't know I had a covering of justice. God cares about what we go through. He told us we could be angry, but sin not, for the vengeance is His. God bless, and I will see you again soon. Continue with us as we talk more about regroup, regather, and recovering it all. Have a good one. Bye.